Namaste, I am Dr. Gopika, Ayurveda doctor from Somathiram Ayurveda group. Today, I am going to prepare an Ayurvedic herbal soup, Ayur Rasam. Rasam is widely considered as a good digestive aid. It is good for our immune system. It improves metabolism also. It is a simple and easy to make recipe. It is a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. It is good for our respiratory system also. Now, let us have a look at the ingredients of Ayur Rasam. Ayur Rasam is prepared with 10 ingredients.
Ayur Rasam ingredients: water 400 ml, curry leaves 3 stalks, pepper powder half teaspoon, coriander leaves 3 stalks, asafoetida half teaspoon, tamarind juice 3 tablespoon, rock salt as per requirement, turmeric powder half teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, garlic half teaspoon and ginger half teaspoon.
First ingredient, tamarind, garlic, ginger, turmeric, rock salt, black pepper, coriander, asafoetida and the 2 leaves, curry leaves and coriander leaves. Now, let us start the preparation of Ayur Rasam. Today, we are preparing 350 ml of Ayur Rasam. For that, we need 400 ml of water. So, I am adding 400 ml of water into the vessel. This is already measured. After adding water, add the tamarind extract. For 350 ml of Ayur Rasam, we need 3 tablespoons of tamarind extract. This tamarind extract is prepared by soaking some tamarind in water for 1 hour. So, we have added the tamarind extract. Now, switch on the flame and allow this content to get warm. In the meantime, I will explain to you the health benefits of tamarind. This tamarind is an excellent anti-inflammatory in action. It is antiseptic also, and it is good for the cardiovascular system, good for our skin also. Now, the water is warm. It's time to add the ingredients one by one. First of all, chopped garlic, half a teaspoon of chopped garlic. Then chopped ginger, half a teaspoon of chopped ginger, and black pepper. Here I am adding half a teaspoon. If you need more spicy taste to the recipe, you can add more. Then the turmeric, also half a teaspoon of turmeric. and the coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. And half a teaspoon of asafoetida. Now I have added all the ingredients. Now stir the contents well. After stirring, allow the contents to get boiled for 3 to 4 minutes with the lids closed, so that all the medicinal benefits of the ingredients to be extracted out completely. The remaining ingredients, the rock salt and both the leaves, we will add in the later stage. In the meantime, let's have a look at the medicinal benefits of the ingredients of Ayurveda. The health benefits of tamarind is already explained. Now I am going to garlic. The garlic is an excellent digestive. It is good for maintaining our blood cholesterol level in check, and also it helps to prevent various heart diseases. Second one, ginger. Ginger is a good in increasing our metabolism. It is an excellent digestive. It also reduces muscle pain and soreness. Also, it is anti-inflammatory in action. And the turmeric. Turmeric is antioxidant. It boosts our immunity. It is good for our respiratory system. It also aids digestion, and it is good for our skin also. The next one, black pepper. Black pepper, it cleanses our body by acting as a detoxifying agent. It improves our brain health, and it is an excellent antioxidant also. Coriander. Coriander is rich in dietary fibers. It is an excellent source of vitamin K and C and also proteins. Then the asafoetida, it reduces bloating and useful in other stomach disorders. It is a good detoxifying agent also. And now the coriander leaves. It is an excellent digestive, loaded with powerful antioxidants. It is good for our vision, our eyes also. Curry leaves, loaded with vitamins A, C and E. It improves taste to the dish. It also aids digestion. Now let's check whether the content is boiled. It is boiling. A fresh aroma of the contents is coming. Let's stir the contents. And now it's time to add the other ingredients, that is the rock salt and both the leaves. Now I am going to add the rock salt. For 350 ml of Ayurveda, we need 1/4 spoon of salt. After adding the salt, now I am going to add both the leaves. Now I am going to add the coriander leaves. This much of coriander leaves is enough. And the next ingredient, the curry leaves. Just 2 to 3 stalks of curry leaves. After that, mix the ingredients well and cover the vessel with the lid and switch off the flame. Then allow this content to stay for 2 minutes for all the contents to be settled down. Rasam is a centuries old Ayurvedic Indian recipe which is having immense effect on our digestive system, immune system and respiratory system. It is a rich powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. It is a good antioxidant also. It acts as a detoxifying agent by cleansing our body. It improves metabolism. It is good for our skin. Moreover, it is a powerful immune booster drink. Now our Ayur Rasam is ready. Now I am going to pour the contents in a tumbler. Mix the contents once more and pour the contents. This Ayur Rasam is also can be used as a weight loss drink due to its high detoxifying property. It helps to eliminate wastes from our body. It increases sweating and urine output also, and thereby helps in reducing weight. It can be used as a soup before our meals or can be taken with our main meals also. So, our Ayur Rasam is ready, which is an immune boosting agent, antiviral in action and also a digestive aid.
Ayur Rasam ingredients: water 400 ml, curry leaves 3 stalks, pepper powder half teaspoon, coriander leaves 3 stalks, asafoetida half teaspoon, tamarind juice 3 tablespoon, rock salt as per requirement, turmeric powder half teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, garlic half teaspoon and ginger half teaspoon. How to prepare Ayur Rasam? Warm 400 ml water and 3 tablespoon tamarind juice in a vessel. After that, add the powdered ingredients such as pepper powder, coriander powder, turmeric, asafoetida, ginger and garlic into this warm water. Close the lid and allow the mixture to boil till the 400 ml water gets reduced to 350 ml. When water gets boiled and reduced to 350 ml, add rock salt, curry leaves and coriander leaves. Close the lid and switch off the flame. Allow them to stay for 1 to 2 minutes. Ayur Rasam is ready. Usage of Ayur Rasam: you can have this as a soup or can be taken along with main meal. Dosage of Ayur Rasam: one person can have 150 ml of Ayur Rasam a day. Health benefits of Ayur Rasam: it is rich in antioxidants, removes toxins from the body, powerhouse of vitamins and minerals, improves metabolism and digestion, good for weight loss, boost immunity.